Hello everybody, it's Cranky here. This is a follow-up video from my previous one with the Chubb Padlock. Pocket Woman and Sadistic Picker had a couple of ideas, and I said I'd do a video to follow up to maybe answer their questions and solve, everything. So Pocket Woman asked if I could put the pins in the car, and then see how the top pins related on with that. So let's just put the pins back in. They are a bit at the minute, but I'll make sure they're pressed down so that they're how they should be. Okay, so let's put let's put that there. That might be easier. And let's just zoom in. Let's try it like this. Right. So let's put that one there. Oops. Well, I think we could see straight away from that one what was happening. That probably explains that. So let's try the rest. This is not easy when you've got big hands like mine. I don't think I can even get it to go in. No. So if you look, it won't go in. Either way. So obviously if it's not that one's not going down. This one's not either. About this one. No. No. No, so there's only the first one that will rest, that fits down into the cob, into this bit, and obviously then if you just jiggle, and then it's right. Okay, so let's put the leashy in. That was the other part. I'm gonna say it did fit. It does fit. So I mean that's with the leashy in. So if I'm going and picking one, which is like that, and then obviously maybe a bit of a jiggle and that's done, but the rest of them are not fitting into the So, really, then, yeah, maybe the last one needed a slight lift, maybe, because it, you know, and then that's what I don't know, but that, just the first pin, obviously, is the one that needed picking, and that's why, but I just don't get it. And this, you know, Pocket One mentioned as well about being an AM5 with the Chubb. This is a changeable cord, you know, you can change the cords. So I just guess at some point, I mean, I got it in an eBay lot, I just guess at some point that it was swapped out. I don't know, but that is just odd, because there's just, it's just, there's no security there at all, apart, you know, like the first pin, one pick, done. Because the other pins are not, I would have thought, not coming into play. Okay, well, I hope that helped. To be honest, it sort of helped me, but confused me even more, but there we are. Alright, thank you, you two, for your questions and your suggestions. Yes, and thanks everyone for watching. Take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye-bye.